Good morning, Fabulite. It's currently, guess, 2 a.m. It's currently 2 a.m. and we are traveling. We are traveling. We are traveling. And I have work. I have cut sitting by 8 and I have things to do. So now let's quickly pack. Let's pack together. My house is a mess, guys. You don't want to see the other side of this room. It's a mess because last night I had serious headache. It's crazy. I even went to get a medication. I've been having serious headache. I don't know why. Just started. I'm taking this home, so this is not part of it. I wanted to start packing, but I woke up to upload video, so we are going with this luggage. I've not cleaned it yet. I've not cleaned it yet, but I'm going to clean it once we are done packing. So I took them to the dry cleaner to iron. Please, I wash for myself. My iron just got bad, so I took them to the dry cleaner to iron some of the dresses. So let's quickly pack, please. Let's quickly pack because I have to go to the supermarket after cut sitting to get some things I'll be needing for my trip. So please, let's quickly pack. It's a 3-day trip, so before we continue, guess where I'm going to. Guess where I'm going to. This is one of the outfits, maybe for day one, I don't know. It's a two-piece, right? What do they call it? It's a two-piece palazzo two-piece. Guess where I'm traveling to. Guess where I'm traveling. Put it in the comment section right now. Yes, right now, not at the end of the vlog, but before the end of the vlog, I'm going to mention where I'm going to. Guess. It's a 3-day trip, so guess. Let's quickly get to business. Then this is my outfit, my airport outfit. My people, do you know I've been trying to get to book my plane, to book for my flight, but I've been seeing this thing going very late, and I don't want to go late. I don't want to go in the night. So I'm wearing this singlet with the earlier two-piece palazzo. I'm supposed to use this for a shoot. I'll be going on first, so in case I'll use this for a shoot for my 1k subscribers photo shoot. So please take me to 1k so that we can do this. Then this dress, people, this is the star of this trip. Like, watch out for my next vlog because this dress is amazing. Like, oh god, it's so beautiful. I love the dress. So just watch out for the for my next vlog so I can see everything I'm packing. Then we're going to swim, so that's my swim stuff. Private, this should be kept private. So that's my swimsuit. This is my nightie, as you already know, my decent nightie. I have another nightie here. I'll be going with 2 or 3 nights. I don't even know, safe. But this is another nightie here. My people, I have them, so let me just move some of them here. Okay, these are just all the outfits I'll be going with. This white singlet, you see that I will use the black with that first palazzo I showed you, or I will use this white singlet. I don't know yet. I'll be going with both. I told you it's a 3-day trip, and this luggage is already full. People of God, what a lady. Then I'll be going with this too for evening. I'm organized though. So I'll be going with that too. I already have our artillery, but let me just go with, then I'll go with this. Don't worry, you see all this in my next vlog, my actual vlog, my actual travel vlog. So just watch out for the next vlog. Then this, I'll be wearing it with my branded shirt. Of course, I'll be wearing it with my branded shirt. I guess you've seen it in the previous vlog. So I want to be minimalist as how did I put it now? Jesus, I told you I've been having it. I don't even know what I'm saying. Then this, I can't wear that swim suit alone, so I'll be wearing this with it. And for this trip, we'll be going with 3 handbags. We'll be going with 3 handbags. Let me show you. We'll be going with 3 handbags. I wanted to go with 2 initially, but this last one is necessary. We'll be going with this. Yeah. But I don't want to carry more than this, so, and that's why I'm carrying this big bag. We're going with this. I've not used it. I told you I'll use it for my travel vlog. And yeah, so inside this bag I already have some things. I already have my pen, my dead AirPod, then I have my passport here since already, so I don't forget. My people, where are we going to? Where are we going to? Where are we you should know now. Where are we going to? Where are we going to? So it's not a serious thing, no. So don't be blushing, please. It's not anything serious. It's not anything serious. But I just saw it and I decided, okay, why not? I should go for it. And but guess so I will tell you before the end of this vlog. But tell me, where are we traveling to? I'm traveling with Cheta. I don't know whether you know her. She's also a YouTuber. So I'm traveling with Cheta. This is my passport and it's going to be here. Please, I don't want stories. My bag is already full. I don't know, maybe I will have to put this thing inside, and that's why last minute I decided to go with this. You know, this bag, it dey help, it dey save. So I don't know, I'll put some of the things here. Then this, of course, I'm not a jewelry person, but I'll be going with some of my earrings, and just nothing serious, please, nothing serious, my people. So hey, now wow, hey, my mother, where's my mom? I should be honest with you people, anytime I'm traveling, it's my mom. It's my mom that used to help me to pack. So part of the reason I want to see if I can go home. If I can go home, she really don't help me to rearrange. Like, I don't know how to pack. I don't know. It's just a 3 days trip. Why is my bag full? Then for the scent of the day, we are going with these two, Elizabeth Arden Red Doll, and this Nafiat, I don't know. So we are going with these 2 scents for the trip. For the trip, we are going with these 2, and my volume, I don't want to carry too many. I told you, just a 3 days trip. So that would be the scent for the trip. Hey God, do stop calling the name of the Lord in vain. Fabulous. So this, and I'm going with 2 hairs for this trip. 2 nights. 2 nights. And look at everything I'm going with. Oh my God. This was the shot I was looking for. This shot goes with the top I showed you for my airport outfit. See, last I'll just have to go home so that my mom can help me to pack, because what is this? I'm not halfway. I'm not halfway. Then I'll be going with this. It just has, I have a full toothpaste there. I'll be going with this smaller one. Then this, I'm going with a long hair, so in case I'm going with this, my am I a skincare girly? Sunscreen, of course. Then my volume, of course. My vitamin C, yeah, vitamin C. I'm going with it. Then this, and I decided to go with two rubber band because sometimes when you need this thing like this, you will look for it like this, you will not see. I have more, but I decided maybe I will go add one more. So please, this thing, when you need it like this, you will not see. Oh, so I'm going with that. I just have to quickly pack because I'm not done uploading. I'll be going with this. I already see my great grandmother in red. She already came visiting. Yeah, I have my tampon, my pad, and pipes liner, but I'll just go with it in case somebody else needs it or just lady things. I'll be going with this power bank for my other phone. It's a type C power bank. This power bank like this, and it's very strong. Maybe this should be in this bag. I'll go with this hand fan. I don't know why. I'll be going with this too. I'll be going with this. I'll add it to the scent of the day and my roll-on. I'll be going with this in case I'm in the mood to dance because in the mornings I like playing worship songs. I like it. It lifts my spirit. I'll be going with my cup. I'll be going with this. I got some snacks, but I've eaten them all. So I'm going to the supermarket to get extra today. So from after this thing, I'll carry you guys along. Then I'll be going with this should be here. I'll be going with this for my power bank. I'm using it. I'll go with my mic too. I'll be going with my mic, and it's a 3 day trip, people. I'll be going with this. It has my sunglasses. I'll be going with this, and I'll be going with this. Stay tuned, stay tuned. It's about to be a movie. Watch out for my next vlog. So why am I keeping this? This is, I want to use this with that my outfit, that my big outfit. You will see it in the next vlog. Then these two shirts, I don't know. I think I'll have to go and meet my mom to help me to pack. Like my mom saving my life right from time. I'll have to go and meet my mom. My mom can figure out this out. By the time she will press it down where if that woman press I go enter. So I'll not stress myself. I'll have to go home so that my mom can help me pack. And yes, my mom is not in Abuja. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. My mom is not in Abuja. But I'm going to take it home for her to fix. Yes, have a sick mother. So that's it. We take you guys along with me when I'm going to the supermarket. So let me go and continue uploading my video, then prepare for my case later in the day. See you guys later. Bye. I'm still not strong, but we'll be fine. See you guys later. Bye. Ciao ciao. Good morning. Good morning. I'm here for my Panadol extra. Fabulous. Okay, you go pharmacy now. Instead of you, they say nothing they worry am. Say na stress. You stress. Say make you go rest. You from there, from pharmacy, you enter supermarket. Na so you buy sweet thing. They don't know say sweet thing, you know good. Good dey bitter when we be small pikin na bitter dey heal us bitter. Then they say chloroquine bitter. Wetin waste money there come and meet me. I think una dey see am. Make na warn am for me o.